Welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And today I got my Ipsy in. Yay! I haven't even opened it up. I vaguely remember. Oh wow, I'm surprised they could even read my thing. I'm gonna show y'all. Like, everything's like that faded. Like, oh, it's tag. I'm surprised they could even read it. That's crazy. Don't know how that happened. It's not raining. Hasn't rained really for a couple of days, but you know, whatever. It's raining where they think. Where they sent it from. Okay, I kind of love this bag. It kind of, I mean, it's like it's gorgeous. It's like glitter. Like, actually, you can feel it glitter. So it's like really awesome. It's like almost like a New Year's Eve kind of bag, but I love it. I love glitter. Okay, that's so much fun. Alright, let's pull out the card. And like the Ipsy Glam Bag. Keep your head in the clouds and walk barefoot in the grass. Believe in the power of lipstick, but know that your glow comes from within. Throw caution to the breeze. Embrace your windblown hair. Buy flowers for yourself. Write love notes to your friends. And wake up to watch the sunrise and sneak back under the covers. Hashtag Ipsy Daydream. And nowadays they do like have everything that you have in your glam bag listed, just not the prices. So first thing first is this that was outside of the bag. This is from F.A.R.A.H brushes, or F.A.R.A.H. It's actually supposed to be periods in between. This is the 22E shade and blend. And it says, this brand's goal to create luxurious, high quality, affordable products. The stylish dual-ended brush is so versatile. Use it to apply and blend shadows, contour, highlight, and more. Plus, you can't resist that eye-catching iridescent handle. Oh, it is iridescent. I just thought it was silver, but no. No, it's got some hollow going on it. Interesting. Okay. So, yeah, I like these brushes a lot. And this one's actually really different because, I don't know, it could puff out more. But I like these like in my bag because y'all know I do my makeup at work 9 times out of 10. So, or no, never mind. It's like 9.9 times out of 10. Next up, I have from Pixi. This is the Endless Silky Eye Pen in the shade Sage Gold. And this says, founded by a working mom of 4, Pixi by Petra is all about products that make multitasking easy. The gel textured, waterproof, smudge proof, long wear eyeliner glides on easy and deposits highly pigmented golden green color. I'm pretty sure I checked the ingredients on this and I think it was safe. I'm not sure, but I think Pixi is mostly vegan. So it looks like before I take it out of the thing, sorry, I gotta get used to where this camera is. It's over here. Okay. Oh my gosh, okay. That's really like silky. I mean, it's dark without being black, so not bad. Got a little dimension. I could probably smudge it out. Oh, it's pretty soft. That's actually a tall blender. A good one. Huh. I hope that, like, it seems to have like picked up some, so I was blending something. Try to wipe that off so it's not on there anymore. Up from Gold Fatten MD. This is the Vital Boost Even Skin Tone Daily Moisturizer with Vitamin D, Hyaluronic Acid, and Gooseberry. It says Dr. Goldfaden's multifaceted hydrating primer delivers a brightening glow to all skin types. And this is for uneven skin tone, which I can't have. It says Goldfaden MD's products are derm developed and physician strength, so you know they're expertly formulated. This moisturizer is made with hyaluronic acid, organic red tea, and gooseberry extracts to brighten, plump, hydrate, and refine your skin's texture. I am cool with this. It is sealed. Now red tea, you don't see red tea, you see black, green tea of course, and then black tea and stuff, but not so much the other one. I think I've really seen red tea. Kind of got like a little bit of a citrus scent. You know, some glow, maybe a little bit. Okay, I'll give that a go though. That is from Estate. This is the eye shade. Okay, this one does not contain carmine like their highlighter does. So I love how it's like a peach package, but it makes it a little hard to read black on that brown. But it looks good. And this says all of Estate Cosmetics products are cruelty-free, paraben-free, and phthalate-free. This buttery, buildable, and super blendable eyeshadow doesn't fade easily, and a metallic emerald is the perfect pop of color to wear from spring to summer. Yeah, shmoney. Okay, the color is shmoney, like S-E-H, money, shmoney. Okay, so, oh, sorry. Okay, so it looks like shmoney. Okay, almost got like a goldy green iridescence. Very creamy. Actually, really pretty. Felt nice too. Okay, doesn't contain carmine, so I'll give that a go. It's from Innisfree. This is the pore clearing, well, I need that, clay mask. For some reason my pores are like in protest around my nose. They just are. With super volcanic clusters. Okay, it says Innisfree sources the finest, most natural ingredients from Jeju Island in Korea. Including the volcanic clusters infused into this mask. The multitasking formula helps minimize the appearance of pores, absorbs oil, gently exfoliates, cleanses, and evens out skin tone. Wash your face and dry, then apply this mask all over your face evenly and let sit for 15 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water. Oh, they filled it up. I mean, if this thing's like entirely full, it's not. It's like I mean, it's not like a lot, but you know, there's a good amount for a few like uses. I've got to get used to my cameras over here. Sorry. So, I'm cool. I'm probably fixing to use that. I need moisturization, but I also need some pore clearing. So, that was my Ipsy bag. So, I'm happy. Everything was carmine free this time. And I know Estate Cosmetics is not always carmine free because their highlighter had carmine. So, that's cool. Interested in this moisturizer. I love the brush. You say hollow, and I use these brushes like this type. This is actually a longer brush head than my current one, and so I'm excited to use that from now on. It's a pretty little eyeliner moment. It's a little darkness. I'm pretty sure that's vegan, but yeah, overall it's a really good bag actually. So, and I didn't buy any extras, just didn't feel like it. So yeah, there's my Ipsy bag. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles.